Hey people, Jay here and welcome to my channel. Today's video is a collab and it is hosted by Charmaine Rosalie, so be sure to check out her channel. There's also a playlist of some wonderful ladies here on YouTube. Both Charmaine's channel and the playlist will be linked in the description box below. So I began by cleaning and then I needed to take down my fall decor, and then I will begin putting up all my Christmas decor. On my channel, I do things like cleaning, decluttering, organizational type of videos, grocery hauls, and my favorites of the month. If that sounds like it interests you, then be sure to subscribe to my channel. So who does all the decorating in your house? Is it just you, or do you and your family do the decorating together? Let me know and leave me a comment down below. Well, I hope that you all enjoyed today's video. I appreciate you being here. Be sure to check out the playlist of all the other wonderful ladies that are participating in today's collab. It will be linked in the description box below, as well as Charmaine's channel. Check out her channel and let her know I sent you. And I'll see you guys in the next one.